Yo, what's going on, people? Let's make some peanut punch. All right, so you're gonna start with the milk. I'm using oat milk, but you could use whole milk for sure. But just kind of wanted to go with the lightness of the oat milk. I'm gonna use about 25% of the little Ninja's cup here. All right, and then we're gonna go in with other milks, the condensed and the evaporated. But let's go ahead and get the peanut butter in here first. You want to use some creamy peanut butter if it's like cold. I normally just throw it in the microwave for like 30 seconds so it could be a little bit pliable. I'm just gonna try and stuff it up in this joker. So when it starts to blend, it can catch everything. Usually it gets stuck to the side of the jar itself, so I'll try and just kind of put it on the blade itself. Just kind of help it start. Let's go ahead and drop this young condensed milk in here. The peanut butter, and then this condensed milk, and then of course the evaporated milk gives it all the sweetness that it'll need. So we'll get that mixed in. Gonna drop a little bit of the bitters in there. So bitters just kind of bring all of the kind of the flavors together. Next, we'll go in with some vanilla extract. It's only a little bit up in here, so I'm finna use all of this shit. So, it doesn't really matter when you put everything in, as long as everything goes in. So it's a little bit of nutmeg, a little heavy on the nutmeg because that's what I like. Adjust it to your flavor type. We'll go in with the cinnamon. Good amount here. And then we'll go in with a little bit of the allspice. Just a little bit. Now, it's not necessarily like a traditional thing to use bananas, but I like the flavor that it gives, and then usually I use like 2 or 3 of them. So, just a little hint of banana. Let me go ahead and get this cracked open real quick. And put my finger all up in there. That's how you know it's gonna be good. Anyway, so you get that mixed in there. And so now you get all of your ingredients together. And so I'm just going to go ahead and start to get this shit off the side of it as much as I can. So when it blends, it can just kind of catch all of the peanut butter. And then let's get this blended up. First of 2, I'm sure. We'll start off with like a low. And just kind of get it going. Coming out looking like some chocolate milk, and then we'll just jump it up to high and let that roll that way. Yeah, so you see all that's left on the side, and it's just not picking up on the blade. So we're gonna have to stop that. And let's try and get that into the mixture itself. That's probably like 1.5 ounces right there. You'll be able to do as much as you can, but, get it as best as you can. Back to high so we can get everything blended. And you probably want to do that for maybe like 45 seconds to maybe a minute. Just kind of taste it. You don't want no grit or nothing like that. Now, this is like best served over some ice. But the consistency that you're looking for is kind of like eggnog. And see how it's kind of creamy right there? That's the consistency that you're looking for. Yeah, again, you pour it over ice and enjoy. All right, peace, people.